Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Kathy. Welcome. I'm a daycare worker and I have my own daycare in my own home. So today, as you can tell by the title, I'm going to be doing an Amazon daycare haul. So if you're into that, stay tuned. So we're going to get started with, I kind of have everything broken up into categories. So I have some toys, I have bulletin board stuff, I have gym stuff or gross motor, and I also have in this box here a bunch of craft supplies. So this is only part one. I did get a grant to get all this stuff, so that's how I was able to get it all. So let's just dive right in. Let's start with the gym stuff, the gross motors. So I got this here rainbow skip balls. I know when I was younger they used to have things called skip-its, which was very similar to this. The only difference is the ball when I was younger actually had like a LED display kind of thing, so it counted how many times you skipped it. But from what I remember, these are really fun, so I'm hoping that my kids will really enjoy these as well. And then I also got these forest log sets. It's a 90-piece set. And the logs just kind of stick together. I'm sure a lot of you who are daycare workers already have a set like this. I did not, so that's why I purchased these. And I know my kids really like to play with the big Legos, so I know that they'd really enjoy these as well. The age group that I have in my childcare right now is 18 months to 12 years. But as of right this moment, my oldest one is 7. And my youngest one is 2.5. So, and then I got a couple of these hopper balls. So you just blow them up, they sit on them, and they just hop around on them. So that's really good exercise for their legs. So I got a couple of these. I also have a couple more coming. These ones are actually for older kids because they're bigger. The ones that I have coming are actually going to be for my little toddlers, and they're going to be a lot smaller than these. So, and then I have these things here. So the kids would put their feet inside here and then hang on to the ropes, and they would use their balance to walk along the floor with these things. So they were really cute. They have cute little faces on them as well. And then I got a cute little bowling set. So this bowling set here is soft. It's a soft material. So it's and the balls are quite soft as well. So they're not made of plastic. They're foam. So I got these for for my little toddlers. So we're putting this inside of our gym. And then I got this little ball here. I have scarves. You're supposed to put the scarves inside the ball, and then they can use them so it's good fine motors as well. But I just got the ball here just to put the scarves in, and they use the scarves for dancing and stuff like that, for juggling and those kind of things. So I thought this would be really cute to have the scarves inside there. So we got those. And then I got these ones here, this thing here for my older kids. It's foam material. So I'm gonna put that on the wall, and then these things here are Velcro. So all the balls are Velcro. There's a couple of darts in here as well, and they're Velcro as well. So I'm gonna hang this on the wall, and they can use this for throwing and playing games like that. And last but not least in this category, I also got these action cubes. So these I've been wanting actually for quite a while now. So what they are, I'm sure some of you you guys might even have these already. But they have little sleeves in here, so you can print off actions for the kids to do, and you can just stick them inside each of these little sleeves. All the sides of this dice have them. So then the kids can just roll the dice and then find out which action they're supposed to do. So I thought these were really, really neat. A really neat idea, and they come in a package of 4. So all the colors that you see here. So we're gonna add that to our gym as well. And so if you've seen my other video, I do have 2 classrooms. So I had one classroom for my toddlers, my younger kids, and then I also have an older classroom for my older kids. So because of COVID, we decided just to have the kids playing in the younger room because that's the room that they mostly like to play in. So, and now with school being on, the older kids are going to be at school anyways, and so my younger ones are in that playroom anyway. So I decided to turn the older kids' room into an indoor gym. So I'm going to do a video on that after I'm done putting everything together, because like I said, I did order quite a bit of things, and this is only half of what I ordered. So there's going to be a part 2 to this, so stay tuned for that. And I'm gonna wait till I get all the supplies, and then I'm gonna set up the gym, and then I'll do a video on indoor gym. So that's that. That's all our gym supplies, or gross motor, that I ordered. So let's move on to the toys so far. So far for the toys, I got these counting cookies, and as you can see, they have like the numbers on them, and they have the chocolate chips inside, so that you can count the chocolate chips and flip it over and it tells the number. So I got this for my younger kids. I figured that they would just love this. They love the dramatic play center. They love pretending to cook and that kind of thing. So I figured that this would be a really good addition to our dramatic play area. And then I got this Melissa and Doug condiment set. So it comes with the salt and the pepper, and then it comes with like some sauce, and then mustard and ketchup. And my kids are always pretending to use different things for mustard and ketchup and for salt and pepper. So I figured, okay, it's time to finally buy them something like this so they can actually use it. And then I got, we'll talk about this one in a second. And then I ordered these clothes. So I got some baby clothes here. There should be, I think, 6 in here as well. And anyway, so there's like some outfits here and some really, really cute tiny diapers for their babies, so they can pretend to change their babies. And then I also have in here is some Ken clothes for Ken Barbie. I didn't have very many clothes for Ken, and believe it or not, I only have like one Ken doll. And my boys actually fight over the Ken doll because there is only one. So I did order another Ken doll. So that's going to be in my next one, my next haul. But it comes with a whole bunch of shoes, and it comes with a whole bunch of different outfits here for Ken. So that's what was in here. And then the last thing that came in this haul, I'm not going to bother sticking that back in there, is these LED flashing ornaments. So what I usually do during circle time is we learn our alphabets and you know, shapes and our numbers and colors and all that kind of stuff. And what I usually do, depending on the theme that we're doing, I give them that card. So right now we're doing dinosaurs as a theme. So they would have like a dinosaur card that they would get in front of them that I give them to each child. And if they participate and sing our songs and that kind of thing, they earn stickers. So at the end of the month, whoever has all the stickers that they're supposed to get will get a chance to play with my claw machine. So I got a claw machine, and I put prizes like this inside the claw machine, inside little eggs, Easter eggs, and then they use the claw machine to grab their prize out. So it makes circle time so much easier. Even the 2.5-year-olds love getting stickers, so they pay attention and they're learning lots because they're paying attention. So, and my circle times don't last very long at all, like maybe about 15-20 minutes max. Not very long at all because they are younger kids. And anyways, so they get to earn a prize at the end of the month, depending on how many stickers they get and how well they listened. They also get to earn stickers throughout the day. So if I see them helping their friends, I say, oh, good job for helping so-and-so do this and this. And then they get a sticker and they put it on their card as well. So they always have a chance to earn stickers throughout the day to get their prize. So I decided to get some Christmas ones since Christmas is coming up soon. So we're going to be sticking those in some Easter eggs and sticking it into the claw machine. So the next category I think we'll do is my bulletin board. So I got a lot of stuff for my bulletin board here. I love decorating too, so I also do like home decor videos as well. So one thing I really love to decorate is the boards in the classrooms. So I have this Halloween one here that I got to decorate the board with for Halloween. And then I got a winter one as well, a winter kind of scene to play on the board. And then I got some Valentine's Day borders. So these are just hearts. And then I'm so glad this came now because this would go perfectly around my dinosaur board. I already started making my dinosaur board while I was waiting for this, but now that I have it, I'm going to put this around my dinosaur board. And then I got, oh, this is coming undone. Then I got this Christmas one. So it has gingerbread. It's like a gingerbread theme, so gingerbread cookies and a gingerbread house and, you know, that kind of stuff on there. I also got this burlap one. So that can be a nice fall festive border. And this one came with several different borders. So let's open this one up. So this one here is snowflakes. And acorns and pumpkins for this one here. And then I got a spring one. This one here is like boots and umbrellas on it. And then I got this cute snowman one as well for winter. And then apples and acorns, again, for the fall. And some sunshine and flowers for spring. And then I also got these two for St. Patrick's Day as well. And then, of course, I needed to get something to put them in, so I ended up getting myself one of these things here. Don't know if you can see the picture, but it's going to hold all of these borders. So it's a border storage. Oh, sorry, held it upside down. So it's a border storage. So I got that. So I'm happy with all that stuff. And then, last but not least, I also got a bunch of craft supplies. So I kind of kept the craft supplies in here because I didn't want some of it leaking all over my bed here. So what I ended up getting for craft supplies is some finger paints for my kids. They love to paint and stuff, so I always like to have finger paints. And then I ordered some black buttons for making snowmen and that kind of thing. So I'm going to do that. And then I ordered a package of assorted different size buttons and colored buttons. So I'm going to organize those. And I really wanted to get a set of these. These are the dot markers. So I thought these would be really, really good for my toddlers. They're washable, so they're, yeah, well, it says that they're washable, so hopefully they are. And yeah, there's 12 different ones in here as well, so that should keep them busy for a little while. And then I got some beads with the hearts on them. We use beads quite a bit, so I actually got quite a few beads. I got these ones with the hearts on, and then these ones are like with the alphabets on. So this is how I kind of like to get my kids to sign their name or whatever to their projects, is giving them their letters for their name. And not only do they learn their letters and learn their name, how to spell their name, but they're also doing fine motors as well. So we use that a lot, especially for Mother's Day and Father's Day and Grandparents' Day and that sort of thing. And then I got these shape stickers, so we can use those as well. And the rainbow colored tape, washi tape, or paint tape, whatever you want to call it. I got some of that. And then I got an ink pad in every color. So there's quite a few colors here. These are the things I was worried about leaking all over the bed. So yeah, because they feel like there's already something on them. I don't know. So they definitely need to be wiped down before I put them in my craft closet. And then last but not least, I also got these icicles. So they're little plastic or acrylic icicles. And I got those for our winter sensory bin. So I'll be putting this in our winter sensory bin come winter time. And that is it for part one of my daycare haul here. So if you enjoyed that tour, or if you enjoyed the video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you want to see more and you want to see what I get next and how I set up my gym, my home gym, stay tuned for that and subscribe, hit the notification bell, and you will be notified when I upload those videos. So again, thank you so much for joining me, and thank you so much for being very patient with me. This has been a really, really rough year. I know it's been a rough year for everybody, but I went through a lot of personal things that happened this year. I lost my mom to cancer and such, so I did not film for quite a while. So sorry about that, and thank you so much to those that are hanging in there with me and sticking with me and still subscribed. So I really, really appreciate that. So until next time, thanks for watching. Bye.